Brake service isn't just about replacing worn parts. It's about building trust, ensuring safety, and optimizing vehicle performance to meet individual customer needs. It all begins with a customer conversation. The first and arguably most important question service advisors should ask is, what differences have you noticed in your brakes recently? This open-ended inquiry encourages customers to describe their experience in their own words, how the brakes feel, sound, and perform. At this point, resist the urge to impress them with technical jargon. Instead, listen quietly. You'll probably hear everything you need to know. Then follow up with broad questions like, is it doing it all the time? Has it gotten worse? Or when did you first notice it? You'll gather crucial information, build rapport, and set the stage for accurate diagnosis. Explain that your technicians will follow a thorough diagnostic process, including a meticulous test drive that allows them to replicate reported issues, as well as careful measurements of various thicknesses and dimensions. The heart of an effective brake repair recommendation lies in understanding and selecting the appropriate friction material. Brake pads are designed using two fundamental types of friction: abrasive and adherent. If a customer asks what's right for their vehicle, defer first to OE recommendations. Non-Asbestos Organic pads, or NAO, are often the least expensive and common as OE on entry-level vehicles. Made from organic compounds, they offer a comfortable pedal feel and are generally quiet. However, they may have lower fade resistance under heavy braking and produce more dust. They're usually best suited for light-duty, everyday driving. Semi-metallic pads are a popular aftermarket choice because they contain a higher concentration of metallic fibers. They offer improved stopping power and better fade resistance than NAOs, making them suitable for more aggressive driving or heavier vehicles. The trade-off often includes increased noise, more brake dust, and potentially faster rotor wear due to their abrasive nature. Ceramic pads are the top choice for many modern luxury vehicles. Ceramic pads are known for their quiet operation, low dust production, and long wear life. They provide consistent performance across a wide temperature range and are generally easier on rotors due to their adherent friction properties. While excellent for daily driving, they might not offer the initial bite or extreme temperature performance required for heavy-duty towing or track use. It's not uncommon for a customer to ask about using different types of pads, especially on performance-oriented vehicles or heavy-duty and fleet applications. Educating the customer about the different types of pads will help ensure that they are equipped with the right products for their driving habits. But don't forget that changing the pad composition from OE, while potentially improving performance, may alter the noise, dust, and lifespan characteristics they're used to. Ultimately, successful brake service recommendations stem from a clear diagnosis, a deep understanding of friction materials, and effective communication. By actively listening, thoroughly diagnosing, and then intelligently explaining the options based on customer needs and vehicle requirements, shops can ensure safer, more satisfied customers and bolster their reputation as trusted automotive professionals. Remember, braking is always a compromise. Your role is to help your customer find the best balance for their unique situation.